Is your workplace considered a hostile work environment by law? Imagine going to work every day feeling uncomfortable, anxious, or even afraid. You might wonder if what you're experiencing is just part of the job or something more serious. The truth is, not all difficult work situations are considered illegal, but some can be. If you're dealing with behavior based on your race, gender, religion, age, disability, or other protected traits, and it's severe or happening often enough, it could be a hostile work environment under the law. A workplace becomes legally hostile when unwelcome conduct targets a protected characteristic, like your race or religion. This conduct must be more than just a one-time comment or minor annoyance. It needs to be frequent or serious enough to create an intimidating, abusive, or offensive atmosphere. For example, repeated name-calling, physical harassment, or sexual advances that make it hard to do your job can qualify. The behavior must interfere with your ability to work or change the terms of your employment. If you feel you have to accept this environment to keep your job, that's a sign it might be legally hostile. It's also important that you perceive the environment as hostile and feel you cannot simply ignore it. Examples include being called derogatory names, being excluded from important work opportunities, facing repeated bullying or threats, or working in an uncomfortable physical space that's used to harass you. Sexual harassment, physical intimidation, or creating a hostile physical environment also count. Employers are responsible for preventing and stopping harassment. They should have clear policies and take action when complaints are made. If you believe you're in a hostile work environment, you can file a complaint internally with your company or with government agencies like the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. If your employer doesn't address the issue, they could face legal consequences. In places like California, laws protect workers from harassment based on many traits. These laws say harassment must be severe or pervasive to be considered illegal. So, if the harassment is frequent or very serious, it's likely considered a hostile work environment. To sum up, your workplace is considered legally hostile if discrimination or harassment based on protected traits is serious or frequent enough to create an intimidating or abusive atmosphere that affects your ability to do your job. Employers need to take action to prevent and address such behavior, or they could be held responsible legally.